Hello, I'm John Noter, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association, and this is your update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry right now and how you can get engaged. Topic 1, you are running out of time to register for the Clean Advocacy Summit and Cleaning and Cocktails live event taking place as part of National Cleaning Week. Registration is filling up for that summit on March 28th through 30th. The events will be taking place in Arlington, Virginia, and Washington, D.C., where you will receive briefings on the top issues impacting the industry, such as labor shortages, tariffs and trade, healthy workplaces, sustainability, and a whole lot more. You can also extend your stay and attend the Cleaning and Cocktails live event, where you learn how to grow your cleaning business. Topic 2, courts rule that workers can't force OSHA to conduct inspections. Earlier this week, the U.S. Appeals Court ruled that workers cannot go to court to force OSHA to act after the agency determines that the alleged hazards do not present an imminent danger to employers. This was reported by Reuters, but it does not disallow workers from taking and suing an employer to OSHA. Topic 3, many states are now taking up legislation regarding the forever chemicals. These are known as the forever chemicals because they do not break down naturally. Most of these are surrounded around PFAS, which is a contaminant that is found in some cleaning products and a lot of other products as well. Several states have already passed landmark laws in recent years, and now dozens of state legislatures plan to crack down on using such compounds. The legislation would strengthen product disclosure laws, increase liability for polluters, bolster testing plans, and enact water quality standards. The issue that the industry sees for these is that not all PFAS contaminants are all the same, and they can be found in very different forms, various different forms, including liquids, gases, and others. And many of these are not intentionally added to products related to cleaning. The industry has very concerns about the testing requirements from some of these laws and other disclosure portions. ISSA will continue to engage on these matters on behalf of the cleaning industry. This was your Cleaning is Essential update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry right now. Remember, you can sign up for ISSA's free legislative and regulatory e-newsletter by going to issa.com/takeaction.
We're strongest when we work together. ISSA is advocating for you by actively lobbying governments on the biggest challenges facing the cleaning industry and your business. We need your help to win key legislative and regulatory victories in Washington, D.C. and all 50 states. Support the cleaning industry and make your voice heard by contributing to the ISSA Advocacy Fund at issa.com/advocacy fund.